Hey guys, so obviously you might want to know how to get it into your iPad, right? So that's what I'm here to show you. So there are plenty of different ways you can get it into your device. I shouldn't say iPad. I should say device. Specifically, I am talking about the iPad though, whoops, as I don't have an Android device. However, Dropbox is a great way to get it on, I think, pretty much any device. So if you are a Dropbox user, that's a great way. And just use the Dropbox app. You can also email it to yourself once you have it. You're going to want to unzip it on your computer if that's the case. If you are emailing it to yourself, you're going to want to unzip those files and then email them. However, for me, we can just take this directly from our email. So I got an email from myself because I bought my cake and cookie planner. So you'll get a confirmation email like this. You will also get an email that looks like this with your downloads already. So you can use either one. Let's try this one. All right, so we can just download now. And just make sure you're using the latest version of iOS on your iPad. Just make sure all your updates are up to date because they now have the functionality that you can unzip in the files on your iPad. It didn't used to be like that, so now you can do that. All right, now instead of open in SkyFlow, I want to go more, save to files. And then I have a planner directory that I'm just going to save it to. I already created that earlier. You can save it anywhere. Okay, so now I'm going to get out of my email and I'm going to go to my Files app. So this is the Files app. It should be already on your iPad. If you do not have this, you can search for it under Applications in your App Store, and it's just called Files. All right, so now I'm going to go on my iPad, under my planner, and there it is. It's a zip file. So all you have to do to unzip it is tap it, and it gets unzipped. It's so nice. And then you have a folder with everything in it. All right, so now from here, you have your cake and cookie planner. So this is the planner itself. You have the README first, which is just a document telling you where to see these videos. You have a sticker book for your Goodnotes. If you are using Goodnotes, you just want to use a sticker book. If you're not using Goodnotes, you're going to want to use stickers for non-Goodnotes apps. And this is basically all the PNGs in one zip, so you would unzip that. But we're just going to first install our planner. So we open it up, come up here to this little arrow here, and what I like to do is just open in Goodnotes, import as a new document. And there you go, you have a planner. Now to go back, we can go into the files and push done, then go into the Goodnotes, open in Goodnotes. Now if you don't see open in Goodnotes here, come in through here and look for the app that way. You'll get the same screen. Import as a new document. There we go. And then I'll just open right up. Okay. And that's it, guys. It's as simple as that. In the next video, I'm going to show you around Goodnotes, how to just navigate the application, and then we will go over how to navigate the planner.